Hey, what's up guys? This is Tim and I just wanted to give a quick review of iPad video lessons that's sold on ClickBank. Really useful tool that comes with 10 modules, from Module 1, which is all about your iPad, to Module 10, which is about iOS 5 updates and everything in between. iPad Pete is really passionate about sharing his knowledge, and he's a pretty funny guy. I had a few laughs along the way. He follows through tap by tap, app by app, everything you really need to know about your iPad, and he's straightforward about it so anybody can learn this. If you want more information about iPad video lessons, click the link below and check it out for yourself. You're definitely going to love this, and it's just so helpful, so entertaining too.